Now, CBS 4 weather with Chief Meteorologist Craig Setzer.
Well, a nice summer evening across South Florida. Just a few clouds passing by on our Rusty Pelican camera. Looking at downtown Miami there, and temperatures not too bad, about what we would expect this time of evening, this time of year. Low 80s, 82 in Miami, 81 Fort Lauderdale, Hollywood, 82 in Key West. Sticking to scales of 5. It's been hovering between a 5 and a 7. So pretty close to summertime. Humidity is fairly humid. 86 is what it feels like right now. East breeze at 14. Had 2/100ths of an inch from some of those showers that came in overnight. Heaviest rainfall was in northern Broward overnight, about a 1/2 inch. Parkland as well as Coconut Creek. Here's the radar right now, and you can see just a few little showers coming into the Keys. Broward looking good, Miami-Dade looking good, but some showers now passing through the middle and lower Keys, also the upper Keys catching some showers there, and that's going to be the pattern as we go through the night. Highs today, everybody in the upper 80s, nobody in the 90s yet. We're headed to the 90s as we get to the weekend, as our winds start to shift around to more of a southwesterly direction. Current temperatures in the low to mid 80s, and the breeze is out of the east right now. That's what's kind of kept a lid on us getting too hot, but that lid's going to come off by the weekend. In terms of the moisture, it is over mainly central and western Florida. There's the southeast breeze, and that's the steering pattern that affects us in the way that we get nighttime and morning showers here on the east coast, and then the thunderstorms develop on the west coast, but that pattern's going to shift as we go to the weekend. So two things are going to happen. One, the moisture is going to increase a bit, and two, the winds are going to begin to shift. Pretty light winds on Friday, so storms should develop over the Everglades, but probably stay out of the metro areas. And then on Saturday and Sunday, our winds go westerly, moisture increases, so a good chance for afternoon thunderstorms. I said two things happen. Well, it's going to be three things in this case, because it's also going to heat up into the low to mid 90s. Into the tropics, and computer models were at one point indicating low pressure developing down here. Hurricane Center watching that area here with a slight chance of low pressure development as we get in the latter part of the week. But I think this area over here is one that we need to watch as well. The area of thunderstorms in the northeast part of the eastern Pacific here, which are forecast to move to the north into the southern Gulf of Mexico. We'll keep our eyes on that. Here's our forecast for tonight, looking pretty good. A little bit of a beach breeze, temperatures in the upper 70s, and some quick showers blowing by. Same story for tomorrow. Quick showers mainly in the morning hours, and temperatures once again in the upper 80s under some breezy sunshine. On the water, winds gradually coming down. I know they've been up a bit. East at 15, seas running 2 to 4 feet, and taking us through the rest of the weekend. It's warmer weather ahead with low to mid 90s by the weekend and mainly late day storms. CBS 4 News Tonight's coming right back.